Hi everyone, this is Kathy Bridges Stamping with a massive unboxing video. Well, it seems pretty massive. I'm actually moving the box off to the side because there's a lot of stuff in it, but I wanted you to get an idea of all the things that I have in here. And I'm actually quite excited about these things. This is embossing paste. So I got the shimmery white and the standard embossing paste. I got the new butterflies and flowers laying decorative masks. So, wow, there's actually a lot more than I thought in here. So I'm actually really excited about this one. I want to make a card with that, and there's another mask in there. So basically, what is this? This gives your card some wet embossing, some texture. And since I'm getting into mixed media lately, it's definitely something I want to play around with. Let's put this away in a second. So I got that, and I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Sorry about that. And in order to go with that, I got the palette knives to play with. Okay. And then the other thing that I'm really excited about was this suite. It's not actually it's the On the Horizon suite. The Grassy Grove kind of goes with it, building the scene building. So they have these Grove dies. See, I probably should have unboxed everything and then showed it to you. But, you know, where's the fun in that, right? The part of the fun is watching me unwrap these things and then put them off to the side and drop them off the side of the table and clean them up after the video is over. So, look at these dies. And I've seen some amazing cards with people making the scenes with these trees and using the beautiful paper, which I do have somewhere in this box. But as I said, it's a massive unboxing. So this is the Grassy Grove, and this is the Horizon die. So once again, watch me unwrap these. Now this is probably my last order for Sale-a-bration. I think I got everything I wanted from the Sale-a-bration catalog, but you still have time. And I'll show you some of the things I got from Sale-a-bration this month. So I saw some really beautiful beach scenes with these fences and the mountains. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. And I believe it cuts out those things. I really like beach scenes. I have a lot of beach sets. It comes with this. All right. What else did I get? Oh, I got the Hello Beautiful set because I got the paper and I didn't get the stamps and dies, and I really, really like the paper. So these are the dies. And I actually really wanted the dies from when I saw them in the catalog. I just waited before I purchased them because I pretty much have every shape, right? I have circles, I have squares, I have rectangles, I have ovals, triangles, and now I have hexagons. And I didn't know these more circle dies were in here. Wow, and that's really one of those really pretty ones. Definitely going to enjoy playing with this. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Okay, I'm already getting ideas. So some card videos coming up soon, I guess. Okay, so what else did I get in here? I'm trying to show in order. I think everything else is, all the other stamp sets are Sale-a-bration sets, so I'll show them anyway. I've got the Special Moments. Good sentiment sets are always good to get. So if you have paper, designer paper, a stamp set with a lot of images, you can always use that with them. I got the Awesome Otters. Driving by. I thought I could make some good little boy cards with these cars because little boy cards are always hard to make for me. And I got Catching Butterflies. And then if you saw my last unboxing, I got all the other Sale-a-bration papers that I was really interested in. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So I have so much in here. Also, oh, I got some embossing folders. The word ones and the Tasteful Textile. I didn't have those. And with the Horizon set, I got these really pretty ribbons. Now, I'm not a huge ribbon person, but these are not like anything I have already. And I love the Misty Moonlight, and that's the Blushing Bride. They're two of my colors that I go to a lot. I like the really, really pale pinks. And here is that beautiful On the Horizon paper. I gotta get my scissors to get this open. I usually I have to put these in other packages because this doesn't stay. So these are, if you don't like building scenes, these scenes are already built for you. It's just this beautiful like paint work. And you can stamp on them. You can stamp those mountains on them. You can stamp the birds. I saw the really pretty, with the cutout from the trees on here. Some really, really awesome paper. Can't wait to play with it. And that's all my color palette is right here. The pinks and the purples and the blues and just a touch of yellows and greens. Not too much because you know I'm not a big yellow fan. It's all about the purple for me. And I'm really pleased with that. I also picked up the craft paper because I talked about that mixed media stuff, and I'm really looking forward to playing with that. Stamping on here, creating like collages. And for that as well, I got the doilies, Heart and Home doilies for that reason as well, to make those collage things. And then check out these embellishments. They look like, these are part of the Horizon set. They look like stones. Oh, and I also picked up the opal rounds. They're gorgeous. It's really hard to see on camera. And that's what I figured when I purchased them. And it's really hard to tell in the catalog, but they've got like flecks of like pink and purple. They look very much like opals in that. Okay, and then I got part of these. There's a wave set that's available to demonstrators right now. And I loved the blues in this. I love the rhinestones in general, but it's Native Navy, Misty Moonlight, all the Coastal Cabana, all those beautiful blues that we have. I also picked up the Trio Punch. Didn't have that one yet. And I got the layering vellum, which I'm planning on using with the craft paper for some of the collaging I want to do. And then lastly, this is part of that wave set that I kind of collect foil paper. I have a bunch of it, but this is not like any I've seen before. Put it this way. So it's silver. It's like a brush silver. It's not super bright. And then we have, I'll do this off camera. There we go. And try not to, oh, sorry about the reflections. Gonna probably move the light away. Let's see if that helps. You get the silver. You still got to see the reflection. So it's two pieces of silver, and then we have like this, like a blue-green, and then I have, there's like a dark navy that I left in the package. Hold on. And this is absolutely gorgeous. This really dark blue. And the quality of this cardstock is really nice. It's like, there's like a heft to it, but not too much, so it'll be easily cut in your paper cutter. And I realize you can see everything in that reflection, so we're just gonna move that off camera right away. And then, of course, I needed more stamping mist because I'm almost out of my first bottle, which I purchased about a year ago. So, you know, not too bad there. So that is my unboxing. You only have a couple more weeks left. Sale-a-bration ends on February 28th. Any questions, anything interesting, anything you want me to film, any of these sets, drop me a line and stamp on.